Rev it out one more time. Sick, bros. That's awesome. Sounds good, y'all. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Chris. If you guys are new here, please subscribe down below. Hit that bell notification so you get notified when my new videos come out. Today, we're going to be doing a little baffle delete from CFT Fabrication. Reached out to them. They sent me this baffle kit for the diesel Grand Cherokee. It is a turbo diesel, so let me kind of show you real quick. Got the vehicle here. Let's go ahead and jump into the engine. This is my EcoDIESEL Grand Cherokee, or turbo diesel, however you want to really say that, because it's a turbo. We're going to get the baffling removed today. This little baffle is a restrictor and causes a lot of loss in basically throttle response. As you can see, this piping here, which I'll eventually replace with the K&N one. I've heard sometimes on hard throttles and after you tune a car, it can flex like this, but this baffle causes a lot of lag, and we're going to replace it with the, let me show you the baffle that is going to replace it. So actually, I didn't get anything from them other than this little beer koozie. CFT Custom Fabrication. These guys, check them out. A lot of parts for the EcoDIESEL, whatnot, what have you. Anyways, let's take a look at the baffle. All right, this is the baffle piece here, guys. I just got it in a wrinkle black with the mounts. As you can see, the little mount pieces here, so it'll kind of mount up to the OEM spot, and it's pretty basic. It's gonna work for now, and it's not expensive at all. It's awesome. So thanks to CFT for hooking it up with this product. Little bolt kit. All you need is a 10 mil, 7 mil, and possibly a screwdriver. Let's hit it. Okay, so looking in at the baffle, you got your 10 mil to there and there, and then you got the 2 7 mils here, which you could either use a 7 mil or screwdriver, your choice. But yeah, we're gonna knock those out and then pull this piece out. Come on. All right, so once it's off, this hose was behind it. Let me go ahead and show you the baffles. So really, this is just kind of like a big silencer. See the little resonating holes in there? Yup, so it's a big piece in comparison to the CFC, which is just straight through. So it should be noisier, a little bit noisier, maybe hear more turbo spool, but definitely less lag, so let's check it out. All right, it's in. Just kind of, if you're gonna do the CFT one, put the hoses on first and then kind of get the bolts in there with a ratchet 10 mil to be a little quicker and easier. So it looks factory with the wrinkle black, matches everything else for now. So yeah, let's start it up, see what we got. I heard that. Do it again. All right, first initial takeoff here. I feel like I might not notice anything until I actually get on the throttle. For the most part, it did seem a little more responsive. Let me just put it back in drive. I think there's less lag. Man, this thing needs sway bars big time. Feels like you're diving into like just real spongy. It's kind of sketchy. Let's see here. So this is me without brake torquing. I just want to kind of see what happens from a dead stop, and then the turbo kicks in. Okay, okay. It's really not much louder at all. Honestly, I think it sounds the same as factory. So yeah, that's that. Not really sure if it's worth it, if it's something you guys want to get. I mean, it's supposed to help. Maybe it might help gas mileage. I really don't know. I need to read a little bit more about it, but cheap little mod. Okay, y'all. Honestly, first mod I've always wanted to do on this was the badging. If you look at like the Trackhawk, Trailhawk, all the badging's on that side of the Jeep. Overland as well, maybe even the Limited. Never been a big fan of how the EcoDIESEL badge looks, at least on this previous gen. So on the new JLs, at least on the Gladiators, you can pick up this bad boy. And I love that it's more of this kind of like neon highlighter yellow color, because once I do the SRT brakes in the future, I'm going to do them the same color to match this, because that's a theme I do on all my vehicles. If you're new to my channel, you'll see that everything I've done, my Infinities and everything else, the STI, all that was the same. So I'm thinking of dropping this bad boy over here. So let me kind of show you the part numbers, and I might drop some on the fender too, because I mean, it's an EcoDIESEL. I want to be proud of that because I really think this is an awesome platform. So let's hit it. Wow. All right, this is the part number. They're super cheap, maybe like 12 bucks. So yeah, let's get to it. My boy OJ used to have an SRT, but he's never seen the EcoDIESEL.
No.
It's the same thing, more or less. Did yours have the black headliner too?
It did.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything was black.
I think
these were Alcantara.
Yeah, Alcantara. Yeah, I think the Overlands might have the khaki or the beige headliner, which I think the black's way better.
Yeah, this was Swing 2. Right.
So what'd you bring, bro? What is this? This was on yours?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, is that like a tint kit, huh?
Oh, yeah, it's all tint kit.
That's cool. I think these are Eagle Eye, you said?
Yeah.
What?
Well, most of them, right? Let's see.
Really? Oh, yeah.
They're already pre-tinted?
Damn, those look sick. Yeah, for sure. Let's try those on.
The double-sided tape afterwards? Well, you can just not put the resistors on. It's only 2 bolts, right?
No, yeah, I'll put the resistors. Yeah, it looks way better, man. That's so much more aggressive, all blacked out. Even though it's like a tint kit, it's not painted. These aren't painted. I think you can buy them painted these days, but that's awesome. Yeah, I'm so blessed to have friends who just hook it up with parts from their old Jeep. That's awesome. So we just took out the inside here. I'm gonna put on the inner tail lights, and I'll light up the resistors. I'll have to run them through the bottom later. But this is an awesome surprise, and it's gonna look dope. So we got the INJEN Technologies intake kit for the turbo diesel Grand Cherokee. The nice thing about this kit is it's actually enclosed. It's not like the K&N one. It's going to be enclosed box, which you shall see here in a moment. So we are going to go ahead and remove stock system. Already removed the cover and knock it out. And my boy OJ is going to start it and rev it out. Definitely a lot louder. Rev it out one more time. Sick, bros. That's awesome. Sounds good, y'all. Hey, what's up, guys? Anyways, thank you so much for joining today. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below, like this video, comment, and hit that bell notification so you get notified when my new videos come out. I will catch you guys next week. Peace out.